If you've ever wanted to connect your TikTok followers directly with your Telegram channel or group, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of adding your Telegram link right to your TikTok profile so anyone visiting your bio can join you on Telegram instantly. By the end of this video, you'll have a clickable Telegram link in your TikTok bio, making it easy to build your community across these two platforms. Let's jump right in. First, there's an important setup you need before you can paste any link in your profile. TikTok doesn't give the website field to every user by default. It's typically reserved for business accounts or users who hit certain follower thresholds. If you're not seeing the website option, don't worry, here's how you enable it. Open your TikTok app and head over to your profile page. Notice the three-line icon in the top right corner. Give that a tap and you'll find yourself in the Settings and Privacy section. From there, scroll to Account and select it. If you haven't switched to a business account yet, simply tap Switch to Business Account right there and follow the prompts. The switch itself is pretty straightforward. TikTok will ask you to pick a category for your business. Choose whatever fits you best, even if you're just a creator, and confirm. Once you've changed to a business account, you should now see the website field pop up in your profile editor. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference if you want to share external links like your Telegram. Now that you've got the website field, the next thing is to grab your Telegram link. If you're connecting to a public Telegram group or channel, it'll be super simple. Your link usually starts with TME followed by your username, like TME your username. If you're inviting folks to a private group, Telegram gives you a special invite link. It might look something like t.me/joinchat/ plus an invite code. Whichever link you're using, just make sure it points exactly where you want people to land. You can test it ahead of time by pasting it in your browser just to double check. With your Telegram link ready, head back to TikTok. On your profile page, tap the Edit Profile button. There you'll spot the website field. If you've done the setup earlier, it'll be waiting for you. Give it a tap and paste your Telegram link right into that field. Take a quick look to make sure there aren't any typos, because one wrong letter can break the link. When you're happy with it, hit save or tap the checkmark icon and that's it. Your Telegram link will show up in your TikTok bio as a clickable button, letting anyone join your group or channel in just one tap. If you don't see the Telegram link appear instantly, don't stress. It can take a moment to update, or you might need to refresh your profile page. And remember, switching to a business account won't impact how you post videos or reach your audience, so it's a safe move even if you're an individual creator. So there you have it. Now your TikTok fans can follow you straight over to Telegram, helping you build even more engagement with your community. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about TikTok or Telegram, just drop them in the comments. I always check and reply when I can. Subscribe if you want more easy and practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.